Recipe: rice paper spring rolls with vegetables. Ingredients: 8 sheets rice paper, 1 cup cooked rice noodles, 1 carrot, julienne, 1 cucumber, julienne, 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1 avocado, sliced, 1 cup bean sprouts, optional, 200 grams cooked and peeled shrimp, or grilled chicken strips, optional, fresh lettuce leaves, low-sodium soy sauce or peanut sauce for serving, optional. Instructions: prepare the ingredients by cutting all the vegetables into julienne strips. Cook the rice noodles according to package instructions and let them cool. Fill a large shallow dish with warm water. Dip 1 rice paper sheet into the water for a few seconds until it softens. Place it on a clean cutting board or flat surface. In the center of the rice paper sheet, place a portion of cooked rice noodles, followed by the julienne vegetables, bean sprouts, and shrimp or chicken if using. Add a lettuce leaf on top. Fold the short sides of the rice paper sheet inward, then fold the bottom edge up and roll tightly upwards to form a spring roll. Repeat the process with the remaining rice paper sheets and ingredients. Serve the rice paper spring rolls with low-sodium soy sauce or peanut sauce for dipping, if desired. Enjoy these fresh and healthy rice paper spring rolls as a snack, lunch, or light dinner. You can customize the fillings according to your taste preferences. For more healthy recipes, follow us.